ayindiyeni elinane VN usibanibani nosibanibani hayi yena. So if you just don't like him, it's okay. Vela yasithandwa ibona bonke abantu asiyona imali. Kodwa a man is trying to protect his integrity and to say to you South Africans he has nothing to do with imali. Umbuzo mawuthi ize kanjani kuyena indaba engekho ku Labour desk. Remember, I Labour desk eye MKP. So there's nothing wrong if people know him akufanele ni bakhulume naye. Because if amasulumane lawo ayamazi mhlambe bake baye be youth ye MKP beyocela ama-funds kodwa singamkhulumeli nangu la uhlangana naphi namasulumane ngoba wena wakacibana angikwazi nje awakabana amasulumane nanihlangana naphi
angibike mholi ngisho ukuthi ngumholi mina ku society and ngiyilunga le MK High Command wonke umuntu unayo number yami uyayicela imeeting abike mina bengikwenza izolo mbovu bengiyovikela iMK ngoba angibeke ukuthi la mbovu iMK lapho MK Labour desk kuhla bakwenza ngenqamba manje mbovu abakwenza abantu bakithi bayathola imisebenzi kuyasebenzeka kodwa mina bengiyovikela into eyenzeka kwi-EFF Labour desk once upon a time kwakhona i-EFF Labour desk eyayinkulu mbovu isebenza kodwa zibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani kuyona because iMK Labour desk or MK lapho isinama characters asuka ngalena ezengala asebenza into ye-extortion lena mbovu even if I have to be unpopular mbovu I will take it le akwazi MK ibe inhlangano extortion abantu ngaphandle mbovu leyo mbovu angifuna uqamba amanga indeed angihlangani ne-MK Labour desk but abantu ibona beze kumina bethi umholi we-MK Youth League part of i-MK sixayekile sinenkinga la
bantu bakithi I strongly believe umfoka Cebane the president of MK Youth League the current sitting president uyacacisa lokho is the president aware of these developments did you manage to engage the president noma niyazenzela ikampunzi edlemini
ngingasho mbovu ukuthi iMK party iholwa umholi oyedwa president Zuma thina whatever we do si account ku MK party kodwa kule mbovu asikwazi ukufaka upresident Zuma kodwa thina whatever we do siya account ku MK party eholwa ubaba upresident Zuma.
Okay, so did you manage to report to the president ukuthi na umonakalo usuwenzekile njengoba uthi siyilungisiwe neyalaba abazenzelayo amasela lawa abeyofuna imali abefuna ukocosha lawa amabili wabalili
ingasho ke mbovu ukuthi njengamanje lento le eyamasela ayakalungi kodwa ireportiwe yona I think maduze nje inhlangano izosibiza izothola a full clarity ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba ngikhuluma nawe nje mholi nami igama lami lapha lingcolisiwe ngento engekho ngamanga kwathiwa ngina 36 kwathiwa ngifuna imali konke lokho mbovu kuzovela ngobani futhi mina understand ukuthi thina njenge MK Youth League lapha sithele inhlabathi kwiphalishi ngoba iMK party umsebenzi wayo kunakekela abantu bathole izidingo zabo which is MK lapho Labour desk yakwenza lokho futhi thina sihlangane nayo because we have our own program as the MK Youth League kodwa kulokhu they were concerned citizens abike inkinga sazama ukuyilungisa right now with sesireportile manje ukuthi kwenzakaleni sidinde manje ukuthi sibizwe sizoyichazela.
No, mfoka Cebane asingaze simoshe siyabonga kakhulu thank you so much for clearing the part that you did not extort any money from anybody. Angithi ayikho imali mfoka Cebane efike kuwena. Ayikho 300,000 ucoshila. Akho imali oyinikwa amasulumane.
Mbovu ngisho 10 rand mova ngaze ngithole lutho ngikhuluma nawe mbovu nje yabo nje njoba ngifika manje nje late nje one call abantu bangikhalela le eNewcastle sine program nje siyakhona esihlelelayo nakhona kuningi safuneka lapha siyokwenza sabantu abasha ngikhuluma nawe nje nakhona futhi siyakhona futhi le emabhodini nakhona futhi khona kufuneka sokwenza lapha okumonakalo lapha nefuna ezabantu abasha siyowenza program yethu nje ithena but in terms of imali eze kumina ayikho imali eze kumina angaze ngithathe imali yamuntu lethiwa ngihamba ngikhuleke nje ngikhulekile ngoba angidli imali yamuntu nje ngiyakwazi ukuthi mina ngihambe ngifike ekhaya ngidle imfino nophuthu ngilale ngihambe ngiyosebenza ngenzele umsebenzi owumbutho kodwa ezimali nje ngeke mbovu mina sengisinde entweni eyingaka kuthiwa ngidla imali ngingaveli ngihambe ngithathe imali zabantu angikwazi mbovu kwenza leyo nto leyo.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfoka Cebane. We will also invite you again if there are any other development and siyabonga ukuziavaila kwakho uvele nangobuso bakho to prove ukuthi this is what a leader does. He accounts to the public and to the people that he leads. Siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu, uNkulunkulu akubusise ube nosuku oluhle.
Ngiyabonga Mbovu, ngibonga kakhulu nje nawe uNkulunkulu abe right. Ngibonge futhi nokuthi ube umzali ukufuna uzothola iqiniso, ungahambi uyokwenza ama-video ngento ongenalo ulwazi layo. Nje nge-weekend sokumema Mbovu sobe seNewcastle wenza live nabantu ukhulume nabo bakutshene ukuthi yini ababhekene nayo le. Kodwa nje ngibonga kakhulu i-platform.
Thank you so much. Bantu bakithi okay.